Ninja still looking for their first win. And SATUL already got one in pack. Apex with that Hilda. Flying Cloud is the map, by the way. All the audience out there. Jinzu के ऊपर early छोटा chip damage, triple man stack. Apex right away. You can't give away your free kill though. Litho is there and you will eventually take control of that.
Yep.
और Litho लेकर आप वापस जंगल में.
Apex की बहुत आदत है, like हल्का सा overly aggressive खेलते हैं वो. We've seen this multiple times throughout this entire event. Punish भी होता है कई बार.
ओह, इस बार शायद punish कर सकते थे मार्शल. जो बच गए भाई सही समय पर. और ये ना अनोइंग फैक्टर है, मतलब ये जो आपने स्टार्टिंग में ही बात करी थी, राइट ऑफ द बैट यू मेंशनड इट, कि वो हिल्डा परेशान करेगी मार्शल को. इंस्टेंट चढ़ाया अपने सर पे. वैलेंटीना बाय द वे, यू हैव टू लुक एट द पोजीशन ऑफ बॉब in a very peculiar spot. Apex dives in, try to save him, and Bob pixel HP पे बच रहे by the way. Heals himself up, goes back, will collect the orbs. फिर SATUL बहुत ज़्यादा ही पोक खेल रही है.
That's one of the main ideas. हिल्डा का सबसे मेजर प्लान यही रहता है. आप कॉन्स्टेंटली जाओगे, सामने वाले को पोक करोगे. अब मार्शल से आप चाहते हो वो मैप कंट्रोल लेना. होल्ड ऑन बॉट जे क्राइसिस को एक बेसिक अटैक एंड ये वेल कंप्लीट दैट किल.
Phantom Steed already.
Jinzu try कर रहे हैं उनको stop करने का, but the passive but doesn't really matter. It's fine. No one is here to punish. I love this idea. और अब इन सब के बीच में आपने बॉब को छोड़ दिया EXP लेन क्लियर करने के लिए ताकि वो लेवल 4 हो जाए. And in the meantime, Anti is the one who hops mid to clear that one out so that he also gets level 4. A slight bit of a smart play here, but Turtle का पूरा control इस time पे for SATUL.
ध्यान देना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. Once again got stunned, got put back. Apex not in a good position at all. Julius instantly उनका kill निकालते हुए. Turtle भले ही यहाँ पर Leomord ने निकाला जरूर है. That's gonna be Jay, but you lost one of your player. A trade of a Turtle and a kill, ठीक है. You're still getting the advantage. ज़्यादा बड़ा difference नहीं है. और by the way एक बहुत छोटा सा factor, Anti ने ना बिल्कुल भी space नहीं दिया है कोरी को comfortable होने के लिए. कोरी गए जरूर थे उस Turtle fight के अंदर. He was there. But he's not that comfortable. Now they are diving in. Wait a minute, you're not in a good position. Instantly, Corey now, he dives in. The Phoebe is looking good. And Jinzu with the Marshal. Apex को shut down करते हुए. जवाब दिया यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा. ये हिल्डा के साथ आप इतना भी comfortable ना होइए. And is that passive strike at the right time? Esmeralda, she's also done. Phoebe के पास free space. Oh, this is bad.
Bit of an overcommitment from SATUL down board though. 1v1, Crisis or Radium. The Vengeance saves the life of Crisis there for a second though, but I like the way how Radium is constantly playing. Could eventually get caught up there with a traceless, he runs away. अब ये है सबसे major factor, right? Constantly Crisis normally lane जीतेंगे, but the fact कि Radium बार-बार वो wave अपने favor में freeze कर रहे हैं, that has been the key reason कि Crisis को aggressive जाना पड़ रहा है to clear those minions, और इसीलिए Jay आराम से starting में gank भी करके आ पाए उनको. And that's one of the big reasons for that first blood. And उसके बावजूद भी अभी भी exact same चीज हुई. Crisis going all the way towards the tower of Radium to clear that one wave out. That is just a micro जो आपकी टीम को macro play में help करता है.
बहुत छोटे-छोटे factors.
एक important चीज हमने ये भी देखी थी
कि क्या
Dawn Radium
जंगल में जाना था आपको. वेट अ मिनट, क्राइसिस नॉट इन गुड पोजीशन. एपेक्स आल्सो डाइव इन. जूलियस के लिए थोड़ा परेशान जरूर कर रहा है. अच्छा बेट कराना चाहते थे. गोस विद RWM, गोस बैक टू सेफ्टी. क्राइसिस गेट्स अवे विद इट.
Oh my god.
Crazy. And did Bob steal that ulti?
Yeah, he did.
Damn.
He did. Again.
Perfect timing by the way.
Similar kill box का idea जो कि Meta Ninja करना चाहती है, same चीज SATUL भी करेगी, but hold on, mid. Anti will be able to rotate back. Golden hour on the turtle. ठीक है, hold कर लिया आपने कुछ seconds के लिए, but Anti has made his way. Lovely retreat from Julius. और इसके पीछे RWM as well to push back the members of SATUL. Jay caught up in the middle of it all. Cannot run away. A 5v5 which favors Meta Ninja. और यही वो strength थी इस composition की जो मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ. That they have a good draft. It just falls down to the execution.
Now this time execution is also working in the favor of Meta Ninja. और यही अच्छी चीज. टर्टल आपने जीता जरूर, क्या परफेक्ट गोल्डन आवर. और उसके साथ साथ जूलियस विद हाल है. ब्यूटीफुल अप्रोच भाई. एपेक्स लुकिंग सॉलिड राइट नाउ. रेडियम के सपोर्ट में जरूर, लेकिन ये अर्ली गेम SATUL के अगेंस्ट जाता हुआ.
I'm liking the fact कि अभी भी Shenzhou इस proper position पे खेल रहे हैं जहाँ पे उनको पकड़ा नहीं जा पा रहा है. Even though Jay wants to dive in with the Phantom Steed, as I said, pseudo dive composition, not a full commitment on that dive. तो इसलिए थोड़ी बहुत problems आएंगी. I was thinking कि maybe anti on that Esmeralda वो easily कूद पाएंगे Shenzhou के ऊपर, but it's not really helping him right now. Apex.
Early damage. Apex.
Fine.
Yeah,
Safe.
gets away.
Right. हल्का सा tease किया था पहले emblem से. Now we can actually see all of them. Tenacity for anti. Fine. Go with the extra bit of spell vamp. Everything seems absolutely basic. कोई as such major change नहीं है. You have the movement speed on Jinzu. बस quantum charge के साथ अभी just to get some HP back on those basic attacks. I like कि वो थोड़ा सा sustain की तरफ भी focus किया उन्होंने.
आराम से खेल रहे हैं अभी के लिए. Madden Ninja knows कि you got the game control in the early stage, by the way. But Phantom Steed will help. Pins down the player. Jinzu not in a good position. Golden Hour at the perfect time. And oh my god. Leo Mord. You were just a picture. Got destroyed in an instant. Apex trying to shut down Julius. But beautiful ultimates, man. Marcel, such an annoying player.
जैसे ही आपने बोला, just able to stop them down right now. The RWM cancelled out. Lovely mountain shocker into the Dauntless fleet. Shenzhou कुछ नहीं कर पाया उस second.
Whoa.
Instant पकड़ा है and the advantage which Madden Ninja created instantly taken back by S8QL.
No respect to that RWM though. Goes back Jinzu, by the way, to Marcel. बहुत अच्छा passive utilization, goes back. Base की तरफ जहाँ पर जा जरूर रहे हैं Bob. Anti trying to take down the turtle. Jay still not in the game. Jinzu falls back, goes in. Apex denying him. Corey at the right nick of time. He is there. The passive already being utilized. Apex got stuck, goes back. Leomord takes down the turtle. Now they will dive in. Look at this position. Corey not in a good position. Goes back. Apex might lose his life. RWM is right there. What a perfect time. And meanwhile, Julius, what a kill for him. A perfect play though. But still, the game is still on. Crisis baiting out a lot of those utils, but Anti is unstoppable.
Man, the kiting from Crisis is just impeccable in the meantime. और Jay कोशिश जरूर कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे Apex को बचा पाया, but it did not matter. The good thing is at least they got the turtle, so the trade is not for nothing. 1000 gold lead अभी भी Madden Ninja के favor में, and I'm gonna look at the items. Extra damage की तरफ जा रहे हैं इस टाइम पे Crisis, so that is something. Normally आप हल्का से utility build की तरफ focus करते हैं on that. Probably the brute force, going in for the Queen's Wings as well sometimes, or rather the Oracle. But इस बार he went in for that Fury Hammer. Probably इसके बाद brute force ही बनाएंगे, just to get that extra bit of sustain as concerning आपकी टीम के पास already Corey QT है for that front line.
Yeah.
But overall I'm liking the idea of Meta Ninja. अभी तक तो control maintain कर रखा है. But they need to start utilizing that. Otherwise, S8QL will bounce back in the late game because of Yi Sun Shin.
Jinzu once again with passive perfect anti को परेशान करने के लिए. और ये चीज तो है भाई. Although YSS far lane की तरफ थे जरूर. 35 seconds के बाद आपका Lord spawn होगा. और अभी के लिए in respect of turret, S8QL ही हारी है सिर्फ. Apex. Jinzu बार-बार उनकी position reveal कर रहे हैं. And he's going back to safety. A level div though. Jinzu will eventually get into level 10 by instantly RWM. The golden hour has been utilized. S8QL not in a good position. Shenzhou utilizes his own RWM. Anti not looking good. Meanwhile, Radium destroys a turret. And what a good bait switch.
Corey?
Team S8QL. क्या time buy करा और इस team fight के अंदर. Julius तो गिराया. Plus turret और तोड़ दिया आपने, but Apex overcommitting?
Nah, I don't think so. He's just trying to push away Jinzu in the meantime. पता है कि अभी ज़्यादा दिक्कत आएगी नहीं, though Crisis can actually pose a bit of a threat to him. The team is trying to burst down Lord. Corey के पास एक open angle है. Shenzhou is also there though, but without the real world manipulation, it's going to be important to see how he uses that. Dauntless bleed on the face. Jay mess up नहीं किया बिल्कुल भी Lord को. Easily taking it down as Apex is low HP. Jinzu waited out and terrified in the tower. Radium picking up the pieces off across the board. Bob will survive as well. No problems there whatsoever. And S8QL, Lord तो लिया ही लिया, उसके बीच में एक हल्की सी मिठाई भी ऐड कर ली.
क्या बात है भाई, मतलब जो पूरा गेम अर्ली टू मिड कंट्रोल करके रखा था मेटा निंजा ने, उसको बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट में धकेलते हुए इस समय। याद रखिए जे विल बी अ मेनेस हियर। ऑलरेडी फैंटम स्टीड बहुत कंट्रोल लग रहे हैं। लॉर्ड फालिन की तरफ से जाता हुआ हिल्डा, एपेक्स चार्जिंग इन, डाइविंग इन, हैव टू बी अ बिट केयरफुल, गोस बैक।
It's fine.
He still got his ultimate available though, powerful wildness, so he can, whenever he wants, he can instantly utilize it. Apex looking at a good hot shot from Phantom Steed.
Mid fight, I don't think so. They'd rather want to go for this one right now. Might be a bit of an overcommitment. Golden Hour dodged perfectly from everyone. Real world manipulation baited out as well. But in this time, top lane में Anti ने Tier 2 की तरफ भी प्रेशर डाल दिया है, while the Lord almost came grab Tier 1 down in bot. अब ये जो Lord था, this was not to get those Tier 2s या maybe push the inhibitors or maybe end the game. This was just for SATUL to buy time. Hold on.
Valentina is down, and this is not looking good at all. But they somehow managed to take control. Apex able to get away. He's still surviving. Christ is about to just take him down, but gets away with it. And जैसा कि आपने कहा, scared. It was a part of a bigger picture. जो कितना annoy करेंगे आप भाई. Such a good hero there. Meanwhile, आपका फाल लेन का खुद टरेट कंट्रोल से बाहर, एंटी लूज करते हुए क्राइसिस, बहुत अच्छा कंट्रोल, नाइस रिप्लाई भाई, बहुत अच्छा रिप्लाई कर दिया यहाँ पर चलते हुए मेटा निंजा ने।
कोरी आराम से थोड़ा पीछे जाएंगे, be able to save himself again. Poke है सामने, so you cannot underestimate that. अब पूरा गेम प्लान मेटा निंजा का शेंजू के अराउंड बनेगा, because he is going to be that main guy जो कि लेट गेम में even though वो burst damage नहीं डालेंगे, but the constant poke will be there. Crisis with a curtains call, yo-yo blitz, एक खिलाड़ी के ऊपर अच्छा खासा डैमेज कर सकते हैं, catching 2 as well in the meantime, तो उसको पेयर अप करना है उन्हें with the real world manipulation. तब जाके फायदा होगा मेटा निंजा का. Otherwise SATUL उनके पास एक straight idea है. Radium I'm pretty sure is already farmed up, level 13 right now. देखना मुझे ये है कि क्या एंडस बैटल पहले बनाए या ब्यूटी की तरफ गए थे. Maybe he's completed both of them.
Oh, Apex utilizing it instantly, अपनी ultimate जरूर pop करी, but he has to go back his situation. Back इस सिचुएशन के अंदर कोरी still looking very solid, और कोरी को बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं ओवर एक्सटेंड करने की. Infernal Pursuit still there. Oh, Jay still surviving, but Radium RWM का instantly हिस्सा बन सकते हैं. But Anti, he got stuck. The passive connects. Meanwhile, another kill is being controlled by Julius. Valentina is out of the picture. Lord is in control of the players of Meta Ninja, and a very scrappy fight where you lost Bob and Radium simultaneously.
मैं देखना चाहता हूँ इस पॉइंट पे फटाफट से आइटम्स, because I don't think so this contest is going to lead to anything. आपके पास फैंटम स्टीड भी अवेलेबल नहीं है इस टाइम पे जे की. getting zoned out, and ये लॉर्ड डांस वाली पोजीशन बहुत अच्छी है मेटा निंजा की. जस्ट मेकिंग श्योर कि वो लॉर्ड को कभी भी छोड़ दे, एंड इफ SATUL एक्सटेंड करती है तो पहले उनको पिक करेंगे एंड देन दे विल गो फॉर द लॉर्ड.
मेरे हिसाब से अगर वो एक्सटेंड भी कर देना तो भी दिक्कत नहीं थी. जिंसू गॉट द गोल्डन आर्च, इंस्टेंट पॉप कर सकते थे उसे.
Exactly.
पूरी टीम ही रोक देते, और ऑलरेडी आप इतने डेफिसिट सिचुएशन पे हो जहां पर आपके पास 2 प्लेयर नहीं है, तो आप कंट्रोल कर ही नहीं सकते थे उसमें आपको. मेटा निंजा बहुत अच्छा बैक एंड फोर्थ गेम. 14 minutes into the game, early stage goes to Meta, then उसके Meta Ninja, and then SATUL ने comeback जरूर करा है. But now, if we talk about the goal difference, it's just 1K. But Lord आपके पास, Jinju goes in, falls back, and now it's all about breaking the center lane T1.
Radium ने just अभी माउंटेन शॉकर डॉट प्लीज यूज कर दी, so they want to go in for the re-engage as well. Julius instantly पकड़े गए, and this could be a bit of a problem as well. Golden Hour है, but they are not really using it. Cory QT left alone in between 5. हल्का सा re-engage आता हुआ, Jinzu is getting ready for that, eventually catching Radium down while he's in the traceless. Oh, सामने की तरफ से भी एक retaliation with the Golden Hour. Bob tried to play it insane, but Radium फिर भी नहीं बच पाया. They eventually traded off for Cory QT, पर इन सब के बीच में Lord is barging from up top, and it has broken one of the doors down. Anti, he has to run back to safety. He cannot afford to die here right now, as he will eventually survive.
Oh, they destroy
Jay?
the Lord. But
Jay?
yeah, what are you doing, man?
Jay?
He's still in the river.
Jinzu?
What Leomord is trying to do? Phantom Seed already being utilized, and now Jay gave away his skill. And this is a green signal, because Cory, he's back. especially with the Infernal Pursuit. What was that?
Big overcommitment, man. Best positioning. Unko laga he's probably got enough damage right now, but I want to see at the items. I don't think so he's got enough. Probably the War Axe, Endless Battle. उसके अलावा he's gone in for the sustain with the Brute Force and the Queen's Wings. आखिरी item क्या है वो मुझे जानना है. Medium as well, probably building up towards that last item only.
Looking good though.
I think so he needs a Wind of Nature at this point क्योंकि Crisis बहुत annoy कर रहे हैं उनको. And the moment he's surviving from Crisis, उस time के बाद there is Julius who's randomly hopping up with the poker trick. यही दिक्कत है हार्ले की. बहुत annoy कर देता है कई बार. You do not realize how much damage does that skill one do to you.
बहुत risky way scared इस समय. क्योंकि इस समय मेटा निंजा बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा कंट्रोल करते हैं. Jinzu just diving in. Any second you can instantly shut down Anti. Esmeralda running for life, but for how long? That could be the question. Fighting out two players. Meanwhile, love the position where Jay is. Anti still surviving. Bailey right there. 3 players against him. Corey gets his kill. Goldenar has been utilized, and at this position, I don't think so. S8UL will be able to survive. Radium already got taken down. Crisis got the curtain call, and we all know how much deadly this player is. Corey, Infernal Pursuit still in the bag. RWM, and this could be a wipe. Shinzu with one of his own kill. Crisis with a curtains call, and I think so. It is done. Bob running away, but for how long? Shinzu too close to him, and now they are destroying the base crystal in an instant. Meta Ninja getting the game won against S8UL.